Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CJ Affiliate in United States step by step clearly. Visit the CJ Affiliate website at www.cj.com. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information on the registration form. Enter your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your first and last name. Include your address details such as street, city, state, and zip code. Enter your phone number. Choose your preferred language for communication. Read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, log in to your newly created CJ Affiliate account. Complete your profile by adding additional information as prompted. Provide details about your website or marketing methods. Specify your payment preferences and methods. Submit your application for approval. Wait for the review process. Check your email for approval notifications or additional requests for information. Once approved, you can start exploring affiliate programs available on the platform. Begin promoting products and earning commissions through CJ Affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.